Whoa.
Come on, give him some of the soap bit.
Alright, man. What about the mind games? See?
Initiate the trap, man. Initiate the trap.
It was inevitable that one of them had to hit. Should have waited for all this. Yeah. Oh. Glad you got that on camera. Oh shit. So great. Miss. Man, I can't see how if I had Ultra or not because the fucking V-can's in the way. Man, that's just shit, Phil. Fuck, I'm winning with guile, man.